And it was something the great Ben Settle said one time in a podcast episode of his, was that payment equals payments. So you're going to find that there is money in helping people with pain. Now again, it's probably not something you'd like to think about, but really people are really going to, open the wallet for things that's going to take some pain or frustration out of their life. I want you to think about this yourself for a moment. There probably is some pain in your life right now that you'd love gone. And if you could find a solution on the internet, if this pain was really annoying you, holding you back, maybe affecting your health or whatever, I'm sure you would willingly pay someone for a Kindle book, an ebook, a video course that would take that pain away from you. Now, I'm sure there's also frustrations in your life. So I want to talk about frustrations and pain points because they are a little bit different. When you think about frustrations for a moment, there are probably some things that frustrate you about maybe your life, maybe the home you live in, and different parts of your life. But a lot of us can carry on with frustrations. We can be frustrated that we have to maybe, the front door doesn't lock properly. We have to slam the door twice to lock the door. That may be a frustration, but it mightn't actually be frustrating you that much that it becomes something painful that you just have to cough up some money to go and get a locksmith to change the lock on your door. You can probably carry on with your life with that small frustration. So what I want you to think about is, I don't want you to think about frustrations. I want you to think about pain points, because pain points are where the money is. Again, going back to the door. A pain point could be that maybe you come home and you find maybe that someone's broken into your apartment and the place is ransacked. So the pain point for you now is far more, stronger than the frustration. So you're phoning up that locksmith, you're asking them to change all the locks immediately. You don't care how much it's going to cost. You want your house securely, be able to securely lock your house again. So I'm sure you can see that pain point is painful for you.